Hi there, students. Ballyhoo. Okay, a ballyhoo, it's a noun, both countable and uncountable. And apparently the Americans also sometimes use this as a verb as well. Okay, a ballyhoo, a hullabaloo. To me, these two words sound very similar. Okay, a ballyhoo is when there's great anger or a lot of excitement about something, and you don't really approve of it because you think it's exaggerated, it's unnecessary. Okay, so hype is ballyhoo. There was a huge ballyhoo about who was going to pay the bill. Yeah, a lot of anger and argument that was just totally unnecessary. Okay, so a ballyhoo or ballyhoo, uncountable, shouting and complaining or excitement about something. Extravagant publicity, extravagant fuss. So there was a huge ballyhoo about the party they were going to hold, but it was a really boring party in the end. Yeah, so all the ballyhoo was just totally unnecessary. Yeah, ballyhoo, a lot of noise, a lot of activity, but with no real purpose, no real reason. I can't see what all the ballyhoo is about. Yeah, they say that this is a huge political scandal, but I don't understand all the ballyhoo. Yeah, all the going on about it. Okay, so let's see, to ballyhoo can also be sensational advertising, ballyhoo advertising, noisy, sensationalist advertising. But I think for me, more normally, a ballyhoo, noisy shouting and a lot of uproar, people who are shouting at each other in excitement or in anger. And then to ballyhoo, to say sensationalize, to make enormous claims about it. He's always ballyhooing about his achievements, yeah? But, well, he's the king of the tall story. Okay, so ballyhoo, a loud hullabaloo, a noisy confusion, or a nonsensical situation, yeah, where it's just crazy. Loud, exaggerated advertising or propaganda. Yeah, clamorous and a vigorous attempt to win customers. Yeah, blatant advertising. Yeah, there was a huge ballyhoo about the tax increase. Okay, a very large clamour and outcry from the people. Yeah, there was a hullabaloo about it, a ballyhoo. Okay, so let's see. Formality. I would give this a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. Don't use it in anything semi-formal or formal. And then as to origin, it's not very clear. Apparently in the early 20th century, they were using ballyhoo as circus slang, meaning a short demonstration from one of the sideshows of the circus in order to attract customers. So that needed to be loud and exciting, and maybe from there. Also, actually, in Southern Ireland, there's a village called Ballyhooly. It might be related to that as well. Or, let's see, it might be related to Ballyhoo, maybe from Spanish, Balaos, which was a ship that sailors didn't like. But I'd be interested for your origins. Apparently, though, they say it's of American origin. So I hope there's a huge ballyhoo about how wonderful this video is. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. There was an enormous ballyhoo about it, but I don't understand what all the excitement, shouting and hype was about. Bye for now.